How to enter promo code on Costco website. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can easily enter the promo code on your Costco website. First thing you have to do is head over to Costco.com and hit enter. So let's just go ahead and enter this. Now, once you've done that, you'll land on the homepage for Costco. The first thing you have to do is register or log into your account. So click on the sign up button if you don't have an account already and enter your email address to simply log into your account. Now, once you sign up for your Costco emails and account, you just log into it. Then you can add items to your cart. So I already have an item here. Let me just go to my cart. Once you get to your cart, you can increase the quantity if you want. But what I'm going to do is just go ahead and continue on with one. And all you have to do is click on this checkout button. And once you reach the checkout page, you just have to simply go ahead and find the option to enter the promo code there. You'll get it right before you check out, and you should be able to enter the promo code there. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.